Hello everyone, it's Laura Jane. Thank you for joining me today. I have a fun project that I am using the Craft Your Life project kit from ALTENEW. This is the Delicate Garden. Well, first let's take a look at this kit. It has gorgeous large rows with some pretty smaller delicate flowers and then another cluster of pretty flowers. Now those are the donating dies. Let's look at the stamp set. Beautiful outlines for coloring, and I just love using these bold sentiments. They're perfect for any cards, and these extra little side sentiments are fun as well, and there are so many of them. So the project kit also comes with stencils for coloring. These are just simple coloring stencils, so there are several layers for each of the floral clusters in the stamp set. So you can color up those images really quick with the stencils. And then there is a coordinating embossing folder. Coordinates beautifully with this image. And then on the inside we have the layering guides for each of those images. So there's two for each of them. I'm going to start with that large floral. And my piece does not quite fit in the stamp wheel, so I'm just going to quickly trim that down. I'm using a gel print from my stash. And this is the new square grid flip plate. I don't know if you can see that, but it has the grid lines on it, which is perfect for stamping sentiments straight. For my outlines, I'm going to use green gold. That is my new favorite go-to for stamp outlines. It's a nice alternative to the obsidian black, which is beautiful, but because of spring, I'm going to go with something a little bit lighter. And the green gold is perfect for outline. As you can see, I didn't get a perfect stamping. I think that is just because I didn't press down. Voila. So we're going to leave that because I will come back in, stamp that again. Since my background already has color, I'm focusing on the detailed layers of the stencil for this large rose. Lining up here is this space. There we go. I don't have a brush for every single color. I just have color families. Really want to get into those smaller detail areas. Isn't that pretty? And then the third one, and line up on that line. You know what? I'm going to use Rouge again. Just to intensify that color. Reminds me of the Pantone Color of the Year color palette again. Fuzzy Peach. All right, let's see what this looks like. So pretty. Stencil number 2. I don't know if you can see that, but it does have a number 2 there. Easy placement. Let's go with the Aloe Vera. Second layer. Again, stick with that Aloe Vera. I like that bright cherry, kind of has a yellow undertone on it. It's really nice. Next, I'm doing the small flower layers. Let's do Icy Lemonade. Then we've got the detailed layer. Grab the Oolong tea. I love the versatility of the images in the Delicate Garden. Very nice. Okay, so let's grab our stamp wheel base, set that back in there. I'm going to ink up again with that green gold. I loved how this turned out. Isn't that so pretty? Using the coordinating die to cut this piece. Let's grab our embossing folder. I'll show you how nicely that fits in there. Just kind of wiggle it. And I'm going to run that 3D embossing folder through the machine. It's going to be perfect. You can see that. All right. Now I am going to take my markers. This is Frosty Pink. Go in here and get a little bit more detail. Just where the shadows already are, I'm going to add just a little bit of shadowing. Using that smaller nib. Green is the frayed leaf. Just brighten up those leaves just a bit. Let's put this back in here. Nice. Okay. So got that. Grab our green gold. Nice impression there. Scooch it up. Here there's a larger stamp wheel coming. I'm looking forward to that. Sometimes you just want to go big. Pick that up. And as you say. So we have 3 points that have the outlines on it. I like that a lot. Since I decided on a double page layout, I needed to create a second ink pad gel plate pull. This is how we do it. I use lemon, rosy cheeks, duckling, and mint julep ink pads. And I'm just swiping those straight across. And I use the brayer to blend it just a little bit and line up my paper. I did several pulls before I came up with one that I liked. Very pretty. All right, so this is my right-hand page, and I decided to add outline stamping with the other 2 large images from this project kit. Around the edges of my pages, I use double-sided stick tape to adhere the pages to my book. Just a little bit of stenciling in here. So, here, maybe. Okay, good. So I just have 2 layers, just pop it up. I did some doodling and Zentangles on the edges with dual tip pens for added interest. I am joining the Floral Fiesta Instagram hop with ADITI. Thank you, ADITI, for inviting me. It's been a fun challenge to take out the project kit Delicate Garden and create something beautiful. Thanks for spending time with me today in my craft room. We'll see you next time. Bye.